Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade and you're watching She Slay TV. And today what I'm going to be doing is a quick and simple style. And it's pretty much this half a wig right here. It's from Outre and it's called Ashani, and I have her in the DR red color. There's a lot of reviews already out on this one, but I don't think I saw this color yet, so I'm doing mine on this red color. So yeah, let's see how this turned out. Here's the comb on the inside. Here's the comb on the bottom. And it got dark roots. That's the only reason why I bought it, because it has dark roots. I can't do no half away. That's not my hair color if it don't have dark roots. And it seems really full. Okay. So let me put this unit on real quick and I'll be right back.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you,
want you. Okay. Now we are back and I love this look. Because the color is red and because the hair is really curly, I could not leave my hair out and try to blend it. So I put majority of my hair in a ponytail. And when it come down to the little bit that I left out right here, I don't know if y'all saw, but I tucked it actually under the wig, not behind my ear, because I want to feel comfortable. So I didn't put it behind my ear. I actually tucked it underneath the wig. And everything is hidden. It looks like it's sewed in or something. And once again, Outre Ashani in the color DR red. The texture, I feel like, yeah, this thing probably not gonna last that long, but that's usually how half wigs are. They're not even like synthetic wigs that take hot heat. A lot of them are like really, really poor when it comes down to usage and texture and tangling. And I feel like this is one of them, at least in this color. It's not the best option if you're looking for something to keep long term. So I'll probably get a good 6 uses out of it. Who knows, maybe more, because I like to keep stuff forever. But yeah, that's just my thought on the texture and everything. However, it's really good for special occasion. If you want to be the center of attention for one day, you know, it's your birthday or whatever, just go ahead and grab this color, do this quick little hairstyle, and yeah. If you want it to look shorter, keep the long hair in the back and just pull the short ones to the front. And then you can also just cut the back one if you want it to be shorter, you know, for summertime. But I like long hair, so I'm just go ahead and pull everything to the front real quick. It's a lot of hair, but it's light, so I can definitely wear this summer. And if you have any other questions on how I styled this, go ahead and leave it below. This is not the only style that you can do with this. I've also did like a center style, the normal style where you just put a little bit of leave out. If you want to go through curling your hair and all this other stuff, or if your hair is already red, that'll be a perfect hairstyle for you. But I just wanted to do something real quick. I got a couple other wigs that I really want to knock out today, so this was something really simple, easy, only a few minutes. The only thing I needed was a comb, scrunchie, and something to lay my edges down with, so it can either be gel, jam, Gorilla Snot, got to be glue, whatever you use to hold down your edges. And that's it, y'all. I don't like my videos all long. That's pretty much it. Literally, that's it. Nothing special. It's gonna stay on my head because of the strong combs that it comes with, front and back. And yeah. It says that it takes up to 400 degrees, but I definitely would not recommend that. Not for this wig. It has some care guidance and instructions, but if you watch this video, you pretty much saw what I did. Yeah, I'll definitely get this wig again because she's very, very, very cheap on a lot of websites. So to me, even if she do tangle in the future, she's like, what, anywhere around $10, probably $11 or probably $8.99. She's just on the cheaper side. So I really just don't even care. But she looks good. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I post up my other videos. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. As She Slay TV, I'm on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram, She Slay TV as well. And yeah, that's about it. Thumbs up, comment, and share. Thank you.